We will learn how to find out the budget deficit given the MRT, MPC and government expenditure. The question is, when the marginal rate of tax is 2 upon 3, change in the government expenditure, which is being denoted by del G is equal to 1, and marginal propensity to consume is equal to 1 upon 6, we have to find out the budget deficit. Okay, so let us see what we are being given here. We are being given MRT, that is MRT, which is the marginal rate of tax. Okay, MRT, and let's denote it by small t, which is being given us as 2 upon 3. Okay, also we are being told that the government expenditure is equal to 1, and also MPC is being given as marginal propensity to consume, which is equal to 1 upon 6. We have to find out the budget deficit. Okay, we need to find out the budget deficit. Let us denote it by BD. Okay, now what is actually budget deficit? Let's denote BD. Budget deficit is simply the difference between the government expenditure and the tax revenue. Okay, so budget deficit will be equal to change in the government expenditure minus what is the total tax, that is equal to the marginal tax rate, what we call MRT, times the change in the income. Okay, so we will have del G minus MRT is being denoted by small t times del Y. This equation will give us the budget deficit. Okay, so to find out the budget deficit, first we should know the value of this, the change in income. For this we use the multiplier formula. So what is the multiplier formula? That is the change in the income due to the change in the government expenditure is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. You know this very formula, I have derived it so many times. So del Y we are supposed to find out. Okay, del G is being given us, the government expenditure is being given us as 1, should be equal to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC is being given us as 1 upon 6. Okay, so can we write it in this fashion? That is, the change in the income will be equal to 1 divided by 6 minus 1 is 5 upon 6, 5 upon 6, which implies the change in the income will be equal to 5. Okay, it is 5 upon 6, it will become 6 upon 5. Okay, so we are done with all the variables which are used, all the values which we need to find out the budget deficit. Then budget deficit will be equal to, so change in the government expenditure is being given us as 1, or let me rewrite it, that change in the government expenditure minus the marginal tax rate times the change in the income. So del G is being given us as 1, marginal tax rate is being given us as 2 upon 3, okay, times the change in the income is 6 upon 5, which we calculated. So here some cancellation will be performed. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, so it becomes 1 minus 2 2s are 4 upon 5, which becomes 5 minus 4, which is 1 upon 5. Okay, so the budget deficit will be equal to 1 upon 5. So the correct option should be B option. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.